Hi guys, Jessica here from the Healing Hands Duo. I'm trying to jump on here really quickly, guys, because I really wanted to do this video and give you guys all the opportunity, especially for any of you that are following us in the United States. Blushield, as you guys know, we already affiliate for Blushield. They are actually holding a pretty amazing deal right now, and it started today and it'll be going to right up until November the 1st. So for right now, and this was only exclusive to our particular followers, so this won't be right across the board. You won't see these specials on their website, but if you go to their website and you wanted to purchase through Blushield right now, this is only for the USA, not for our European or Canadian affiliates. I will be reaching out to the distributor here in Canada to see if he and I can work together on a campaign, but this is just for the United States. So between the 26th and November 1st, for any purchase that you guys make right now, and I believe they've gotten pretty much all of their packages and all of their bundles back in stock now. You guys will, normally I can only offer you guys 10%, but right now for this week, I can offer you guys up to 15% on everything on their website. So that is pretty intense because we only ever really hold this particular special usually around Black Friday, which they'll probably give you usually sometimes around 15%, but we don't know that they'll be doing that this year around the holiday season. So guys, if you guys are waiting for something like that, this is your opportunity. I think one of the biggest reasons why they've decided to go ahead and do this right now is because, as you guys know, I'm working on a video and I am going to get more into depth about EMF and 5G and all that stuff. But I think a lot of people think that we've been using the full potential of 5G, and really, from what I understand, a lot of places in Canada, a lot of these things are only being tested right now. Other countries have gone fully live with this stuff, and I will mention in my other video the detrimental effects of being around high EMF, especially these new millimeter waves that they're going to be exposing our bodies to. So guys, if you're not protected against EMF, this is a great opportunity to start looking at doing that, and of course to save big time on some of these bundles. So the thing is, I will post it down below, or whatever I post this on, down below or on the side. You guys you absolutely have to use our link, and you have to use our code, which is the Healing Hands. Actually, it's not the Healing Hands. I believe it's okay, maybe it is. Let me just double check. Sorry, I'm trying to sign into my computer. You know what? I'll put the code right at the bottom here so that you guys know exactly what it is, because you have to use it. It is case sensitive. If you guys do not use our link and this particular code, they will not give you any discount. Normally I can only offer 10%, but when you guys use this code for this short period of time, they will now offer you guys the 15%. So I really wanted to get on here and mention that, because I am working on a YouTube video right now, but it is quite long. It's almost an hour long, about everything that has been happening in Canada here in the last several weeks, because I've been off the internet for 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm going to be talking about that. I'm also going to be talking about a lot of things about my spirituality specifically. Sorry, I'm stumbling over my words because I basically got up really late today because I've been working on videos and various other projects all night long. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get that. I just wanted to post that really quickly and let you guys know about this special. I'm also gonna, either right after this video or in one of my posts, I'm gonna post to a video that I did a while back. I don't know why I never posted it, but what it is, it's a video letting you guys know how to select the right Blushield device for your particular needs. The reason why I'm going to post to that too is because I have a ton of people who email me all day long or message me or DM me who are just constantly asking about how they go about selecting the right items or the right products for their home, not just in regards to Blushield, but in regards to other EMF tips that we might have. The other thing is, there is going to be 2 companies I'm going to mention in the new video. Another one is another company I affiliate for outside of the United States. where they just carry various other EMF products. I also do affiliate for Greenwave now too, guys. I'm just getting set up with them right now. So if you guys are interested in Greenwave electrical filters, and then the other one that I'm working on right now is a company called Less EMF. They are like a huge warehouse that carry tons of EMF blocking products, and I've just heard some really great things about them. Plus, on top of it all, we really wanted to work with them because they carry pretty much everything for our other business, which you guys already know is Energy Alignment Solutions, where Kevin actually goes out and he does EMF assessments on people's homes in residential or commercial areas. The other thing is, right now, a lot of people have asked me if there's anything that they can do for free, and I have mentioned that in plenty of other blog posts, so I might either post that on this video here or in the upcoming video that I'm going to do on my YouTube channel. I'll post those blog posts on things that you can just do right now to protect yourself. Another thing is there's a lot of stuff that you can do to protect yourself from within when it comes to supplements and eating foods that are high in antioxidants. Again, guys, high amounts of antioxidants, putting a high amount of antioxidants into the body allows the body to move things through and detoxify properly, including radiation. So the two that are very powerful that I have found, and I have been taught over the years by multiple naturopathic doctors, functional medicine doctors over the years, the two that you want to consistently take, or at least the damage that is caused by what I believe to be the cytokine storm from being exposed to radiation, or even if we're talking about non-ionizing radiation that comes off of things like cell phones and your TVs and all of this Wi-Fi, is one is lipospheric vitamin C. I have been swearing by this supplement for almost 10 years now, guys. I actually carry this product myself. I just got a whole batch of it in. So if you guys are interested in that, please do reach out. I have been selling this product out of my studio, but since my studio's been closed, I haven't really been getting into shipping stuff, and so I might be looking into that now, since I've still unfortunately have not opened up my studio because of all the lockdowns that are happening here in Ontario. So if you guys are interested in that, please do reach out. Another one is fulvic combination. Well, it's fulvic acid, but sometimes the fulvic will contain a little bit of humic acids in it. This is another one that's amazing, absolutely amazing for not only energy protection. So we're talking about mitochondrial ATP levels. It helps to increase that. I truly believe it also probably helps to bind to various different heavy metals and various different things in the body to actually pull this from the system intercellularly, which means then if you keep the body more clean, and of course there's less things like heavy metals and stuff like that in the body, of course your body is not going to be damaged by radiation as much. Not only that, but it actually does help with mitochondrial dysfunction. So that is another one. Those are my two primaries that I take absolutely every day, is fulvic acid, lipospheric vitamin C. Of course, guys, fermented foods and stuff like that also help the body to just naturally stay detoxified and of course balance the microbiome. That's not something that I sell out of here or anything like that, but I do promote people eating fermented foods on a regular basis, as well as taking a probiotic. There are various different things that you can do, or antioxidants that you can take. Two other ones that we really like is chaga tea and pau d'arco. I've heard that medicinal mushrooms can really help with this stuff as well. So these are some other things that you guys might want to look into. Again, I also affiliate for a company that's called Optimally Organic. They have some of the purest supplements, and I would say these are whole food supplements that you can find. So if there are things that you're looking for, like chlorella or chaga or something like that, if you guys shop through us, and again, this is kind of my fault, I haven't had a chance to really post to my links, but as soon as you use one of our links to one of those items, then they'll automatically take 5% off of your order. So if you go through our website and you go under our recommendations and you find the fulvic acid that we're currently recommending through this particular company, and it's under our recommendations in the supplements page, if you click on that, they're automatically taking 5% off that product and any other product that you add to your cart. You can just even click on that and then not add the fulvic acid, add something else, and they'll take 5% off. So I hope that clarifies some things. And yeah, guys, if you have any more questions, please do leave them them in the comments or something along those lines, or email us. I do have a few of you that I have to get back to on emails in regards to EMF right now, but because we do consultations for that too, where we do charge for our consults and stuff like that, it's hard for me to get to some of those questions unless they are paid consultations. So I apologize. I do have a lot of stuff that's going on in our life right now. We just recently had a family member in the hospital, so that's one of the reasons why I've been MIA on the internet. But guys, I'm trying to get back into everything this week. So anyway, just wanted to touch base with you guys and let you guys know that if you're in the United States of America, if you're gonna buy one, this is the week to do it. Okay, thanks, bye.